The wave of different revolt or movement, one after another, made the Britishers leave our country. There were boycotts, protests. The Indians, they laid their lives for the country's freedom. Movement like non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, quit India movement, one after another, made the Britishers leave or quit India finally. And it was decided that after the Second World War ended in 1945, that the Britishers will leave our country. There was lot of protest, lot of revolt by every Indian, and the Indians wanted their free country. They wanted complete freedom. So the Britishers finally decided to leave. Not before they divided our country into two. The country was divided into Pakistan and India. The Muslim League wanted a country which is dominated by the Muslims. So Pakistan, which is at present, that is West Pakistan, and Bangladesh at present, East Pakistan, was made a separate nation. Many Indian leaders protested against this partition. There was great protest all over the country. Riots broke out, but sadly enough, our country was partitioned into two, Pakistan and India. So here you can see this Pakistan, which is known as West Pakistan at that time, and this is your Bangladesh, which was known as East Pakistan, and finally Bangladesh became independent later on. And this is our country, India, which was divided into India and Pakistan. So here you have the map of India. India, as you know, became independent on 15th of August 1947. This is the postage stamp which you see here. Children, the first Prime Minister of our free nation or free India was Jawaharlal Nehru. You all know that, whom we call as Chacha Nehru, and he gave a speech in the Parliament in New Delhi at midnight, where he welcomed the free country, India's independence. He said, "Long years ago we made a task with the destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom." So, as you know, midnight means 12 o'clock, whole world will be sleeping, but India will awake, and because it is a free country. So, on 15th of August, Jawaharlal Nehru became our first Prime Minister. As you can see, he is taking oath in the Parliamentary Hall. As you can see, the last Viceroy, Lord Mountbatten, with him, who is conducting the oath ceremony. And he is our first President, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who became the first president, and he became the president when India became a republic nation after the constitution was implemented. Okay, so the first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and the first prime minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, and India became free on 15th of August 1947, and it was divided into two, Pakistan and India. So this is how we got our long struggle, long path of struggle for freedom. Almost 200 years the Indians fought against the British rule, and ultimately, finally, we achieved our freedom. Thank you.